What's good with y'all? Back with another video, and as I told y'all before, we was gonna get stuff done as far as the yard, the garage, and all that stuff. Here's a look at the yard before it gets complete. So pretty much we're clearing off all of this, making some more yard space, trying to set up a little area next to the garage too, where we could pull up more cars and stuff. But it's surprisingly that they came out during the snowstorm, if you want to call it a storm, whatever. Supposed to get like 5 inches of snow, but they still getting the job done. As you see, there's an opening right here. We about to clear this over, push some of that back, and then we got a little driveway next to the garage. So that's the plan right now.
The next day.
Day 2, this tree is about to go. Then next, the driveway. Like, it's been so bad out here. It snowed until like 10 o'clock last night. And of course, where you get the gravel from, they were closed today, so you only got one load yesterday. Sent the double trees down. So like I said, you gotta get one thing done at a time. And they worked most of yesterday. I didn't record a lot of it, but yeah, see, it's a lot that's cleared off already. And then there's one last big tree that's about to go. And I think that's about it. Tomorrow they come back and like grade my, land to clear some more of this stuff up, like to make it nice and smooth along my driveway once we lay down more gravel. But it's just so hard to see where my driveway line is. That's the reason why he really don't want to mess with nothing today, because you can't see where my driveway starts and ends, which I respect it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the summertime. We gotta get a good grill out here. Gotta finish my floors. Waiting for the epoxy, like I told y'all, to come in. And then from there, it's gonna be a big year. Starting it out pretty strong, huh? Yes, this tree was much needed. It's like, this was a tree that was acorns kept falling and hitting. If you look at the top of my car, you see little dents from the acorns. Thank goodness we're taking care of that. Come on, get it down. Damn, that's a big ass tree. Been digging the roots out for the past like 15-20 minutes. Come on, go down, go down. There she go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Day 3.
All right, picking up on day 3. Still a bunch of snow out here on the ground. I got the cars in front of the yard because the guys are supposed to still be coming back today to finish up the driveway. We're gonna wait in the car because they're operating on a 2-hour delay today. Come on, can you get down the stairs? Jump, 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 jump. Boom. There we go. So I'm gonna actually take the white car out today because I'm going to take it to the car wash. I got something planned for that today. Once they're finished up with the driveway in the yard, yeah, we're definitely going to pull that into the garage and do some stuff to it because there's a few things that's coming up. Just waiting for the bus. Yeah, so the little thing that I got planned for the car is nothing too crazy, but you know, every year we do something as far as the Christmas lights or something for the holidays. So they have a cruise coming up, and I'm just gonna end up decorating the car, but I'm going different this year, a different route. But once he gets on the bus, headed to the gym, the people should be out in maybe another hour, hopefully 2, because I want to get at least a decent workout in today. So hopefully they don't rush it. But that's the plans for the day. And this year has been, well, I'm not gonna say this year, but this month's been a rough month as far as the weather and stuff. It hasn't been too much to do to make content, but I'm making the best out of the situation. y'all bear with me, and I appreciate it. We did have a great 2025, so I love y'all for that. But yeah, just stay tuned throughout the video and see where it goes. So no kid with me. On the way to the gym, get the car washed first. Only thing about it, they can't go over my wing, so they have to lift the actual top part out so it doesn't go over the wing. I don't care. We can wash the car when we get back in the house, so no big deal. I just wanted it pretty much clean somewhat before we do everything and pull in the garage, because you know we got the people working in the yard and everything else, so it's gonna be hard to keep it clean for now.
2 hours later.
Alright, I'm getting back to the house, and I guess they're just getting here too. So what I'm going to try to do is load this car, well, park the car in the garage to see if I got enough room, because I want to take care of some stuff, and I really don't want to leave it outside in the weather. So we're gonna try to back this in the garage real quick. So they're about to pull in now, get this work done. Look at this big tree right there and stuff. But that's why I got her inside. So this is what it looked like from the car wash. Not too bad. I might have to power wash little areas like that on the side, of course, because it's still a whole bunch of salt and sand on the road. So, but one thing I noticed when I was leaving the gym is, I don't know if you can see that, but my underlights actually dropped, so we had to fix that too. Take care of that. Test them out and make sure they still work right now. And we're gonna come back out here and hook the car up. So we got good and bad news. As you see, the underlights still work under the car all the way around. Of course, the interior works, but you got to turn the car on. But the ones I wasn't worried about is these ones. We're not getting no power to the ones under the hood. So I got to figure that out. So let me see if it's a short. Yeah, it's no type of power. There we go. I don't know whether it's just cold or what it is, but we got them on now. All right, I'm gonna come back out here, clean the car up a little bit, and then we can do what we planned on doing. Let's see if I got my lights. I think I still got the lights from last year too, so we gotta find them somewhere. Gotta vacuum out. Just gotta wash the mats. The interior's been vacuumed. The trunk, which the speakers keep sliding, so I got that all situated. I actually gonna have to get the installation that go up under here to take away some of that droney noise. Yeah, other than that, I just gotta wipe down the areas where I'm gonna be putting the stuff at today, which you're about to find out what I'm talking about. But I also found the lights, which are the USB. So I gotta figure out if I bought the thing last year to hook them up, because I don't know how I'm gonna do the USB cord. So I do got the port out here. Hey, I forgot all about this. Let's see if the lights work though. If the lights don't work, we might have to go out and rig some stuff up.
Later that same evening.
So this is the look we're going with. I'm gonna have the lights in the front, and as you see, I got decals that I'm gonna place throughout the car. I actually have like 19 more, but they're different style snowflakes. I'm gonna put those all around the car, and I'm gonna try to wrap the wing in Christmas lights, which is the reason why I said I might have to get some more, and the other ones are going to the front. So I'm gonna place these 5 around the car, and the fact that the car is still like a little bit dirty, I'm just gonna be spraying those areas that I'm putting decals on and see how that turns out. So, and I can cover up a little damage areas like that. But yeah, let's get it done, see what it looks like. This is what we have so far. I have to go get some tape. Of course, the kids took it, so I don't know where it's at now, but we're gonna just wrap this around the sunroof. We're gonna be pushing it too. So I made this a little bit shorter back here, so we can have some. I just ran it through the car and through the sunroof, so we're gonna put it around there. Got the snowflakes. Of course, I got like about 19, no, probably about 15 more coming in. Yes. So yeah, it's gonna look good when it's done, but just gotta wait for the rest of the decals to come in. I didn't want to use the same ones. Change it up a little bit, but it's 5. These are like 8-inch snowflakes. So we should have a good amount to decorate the car and make it look even better.
That boy's cat beating on the cut going crazy.
So as you see, I got the car complete. I'm waiting for the rest of the decals to come out, but I got the lights. As you see, we ran a little short, but it makes a little C for Christmas, I guess. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this video. The car is 92% complete, so that's progress. I go back to work tomorrow, so it's not gonna be too much going on. Hopefully we don't get no weather and everything else comes in, and I give y'all an update on that. But until then, I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.